Hello you beautiful peeps, and today is a good day. I have the new Rlaarlo ROG1 1/14 scale with a slip central differential. And I also have my son out with me recording today. Say hello, Colin.
Hello.
He's out with us, ladies and gents. I'm so happy. It was supposed to be, look at this beautiful sunny place. And of course the heavens opened this morning, but luckily it's dried up at the skate park here. So let's have a quick look at this, shall we? We have the 3S battery, 2200 milliamp hour, 45 amp ESC, a brushless motor here, 2845, 3600 kV. The receiver's hidden away in there, an 11 kg metal geared servo. It's also got anti-roll bars, front and rear, which should help. And of course we have the wheelie bar. Quickly, the controller, bog standard mini controller here. There's one thing, it doesn't beep when you turn it on, which freaks me out, but there you go. Right, let's see how this baby runs, shall we? Let's go. Its handling seems very good indeed. The driving, however, is not so great. Slides very well. It's fast, isn't it? Right, this is a good time to test the writing function, shall we? Life's too short. I can't see it. Life's too short. The battery has fallen out. Oh. Yay! So you turn the steering wheel. Could you just flip it over again and we'll see if that works. Turn the steering wheel, full throttle and brake. Okay, well we've used half the battery now, so probably best that Colin writes it for us. Thank you, sir. Just an FYI, ladies and gents, it looks very slippery, like it doesn't have a lot of grip, but that is the surface, it is not the car. We are right by the side of a beach and it is very sandy here. Oh. Sorry, Colin. Sorry, Colin. Oh no! Oh, sorry, Colin. What's the chances? Every time? What? I do like it. I'm sorry, but I do. I don't like that part of it. So now we have Colin driving. Say hi, Colin.
Hello.
That's the enthusiasm we're looking for. Let's go. I looked over at Colin to see if he wanted to try any more. At least you're managing to keep it on its wheels, Colin. Oh, come on, well done. Spoke too soon. Oh, so lucky. Oh, unlucky. Starting to rain, ladies and gents, typically. Colin, you're known for being able to flip any car, but now you're managing to land it on its wheels. That's where it landed, when it went over from here. Whoops. Nice flip, Colin. Nice. It's handling these big rocks pretty well, isn't it? Nice. Oh man, this is painful. Yay! Wow. You maintain your record, Colin. Yes, if you're wondering, Colin's staying in the car with the AC. You waste half your battery power doing that though, don't you? Fast! So, ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? I have to say, I'm actually really impressed with this. Colin managed to hit the wall about 50 times. We jumped over and went over the fence of the skate park 3 times, and nothing has broken. It's had no problems whatsoever. The battery falling out. Rlaarlo! Huh? Why? We don't understand why that keeps on falling out. Oh, that's not true. Colin kind of pointed it out. This plastic here is a wee bit flexible, and that could be the reason why, but that's easily dealt with a slightly bigger strap on that, or in my case, I'm just going to put a little bit of Velcro along the bottom. Can I recommend this car to you at the sale price of $149.99 US? That's available today, and it will be going back up to the $199.99. Their other 1/14th, the Crow Bowl 1/14th, was at $129.99 for a brush version. So this one at $149.99 is incredibly good value. It is incredibly good quality. It's fast, durable, and we absolutely love it. So, can you guess? Can I recommend it to you? Of course I can. It is bloody brilliant. Really, really good indeed, and I'm really, really impressed with this one. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch a video of me sort of looking on the interior and a little bit closer at it, pop over to John Robinson RC Essentials, where the video's already up and ready for you. Take care. Bye-bye.